When life knocks you down, and life will knock you down, try to land on your back. Because if you can look up, you can get up. Welcome to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. This is my end of month May closeout, and I'm going to be sharing at the end of each month how much money I spent because I am now on a serious debt payoff journey. I bought real estate this month and I used lines of credit to buy that real estate, and therefore I need to pay off those lines of credit as soon as possible. So what I did was I was putting money from my colleges into their retirement accounts. I stopped contributing to their retirement accounts. I took it down to about a 1% contribution because I never want to stop contributing. I do not get a match because I'm an adjunct. So whatever goes in there is my money. What I'm doing is I'm taking that money that I bring home and I'm putting it towards paying down my debt. This is what I do is I buy real estate. I may use lines of credit to put the down payment down, but I pay off that line of credit as soon as possible. So hopefully you'll see me pay off that line of credit within a couple of months, and then I'll be back to being debt-free except for my rental mortgages and my primary residence. So let's look at my spending for the end of May. So $366.35 at Walmart. As you can see, as I mentioned in my last video, the top few items on the list are the ones that I buy the most. So mostly you'll see me buying Catfish, Fiber One bars, Orgain, which is a vegan protein powder that I use in my coffee. I am mostly vegan except for fish. I love my catfish. I can fish for catfish at the lake, at my RV at the lake, but I love my catfish. I've just grown up doing that. So I eat mixed vegetables and catfish. I make beans that I add to the mixed vegetables and catfish. So it's a very, very basic diet. I do not go much outside of that. And I've lost 10 pounds. I'm keeping my cholesterol down, and as you'll see a little bit later, when I go to CVS, it's to buy strips or sensors for my A1C. So I've added extra spots for Walmart because I'm finding this month that I'm buying a lot of miscellaneous items, and they're just not listed here. I just lump them under something else, and that's not very accurate. So I'm going to start adding extra spaces for future items, just that are one-off items that I may buy at Walmart. I get my cash at Walmart. I didn't get any cash this month. I very rarely have cash or spend cash. So if I need cash to fill my wallet just so that I have $80 or something in my wallet, then I'll get it at Walmart because I'm not going to pay an ATM fee. Sam's Club, the top few items is coffee, cream, and broccoli. That's pretty much it. So that's my diet. Coffee, cream, broccoli, mixed vegetables, and catfish. It doesn't get any simpler than that. So I spent $121.79 at Sam's Club. And all the other items that I get from Sam's Club, I will get them if I am going to get coffee and cream. I don't just go to Sam's Club randomly. I only go and add extra items, and my wife may add extra items from the list that we need for the house. But everything for the house that comes from Sam's Club has to come out of my $900 budget. It does not come out of our house budget. So CVS, I had to buy 2 sensors. I buy them 2 at a time because they last 14 days each. And so this is so that I can track my A1C. I also have a home cholesterol tester. And so I'm supposed to be using that once a month to check my cholesterol. My doctor put me on cholesterol medication because I tried for a year to lower my cholesterol by changing my diet, exercising, and it did not go down enough. But I am eating flaxseed in with my mixed vegetables and catfish to try to keep my cholesterol down as much as possible, because I want to live as long as possible to spend the money that I'm going to have with my financial freedom. Lawn care, My lawn guy, which cost $250 to mow my entire 3 acres, he only came once this month. Other months it's going to be higher as we get into the summer and depending on how much it rains here in Alabama. Amazon, I spent $135.42. I normally don't buy stuff from Amazon, but when we need stuff, I will ask my wife to put in anything that she wants from Amazon just so that I can get free shipping. But normally I don't go to Amazon. Gas this month, $63. I work from home, so I don't need to spend a lot of gas. You'll see a lot of gas when I'm traveling because I have a tendency to drive around the country. And so you'll see very high gas expenditures, and it'll come under vacation gas and vacation hotel. My expenses will go well over the $900 a month when I travel because I like to have fun in my retirement. And I have the financial freedom to do it. But when I'm at home, normally I want my expenses to get down to $900 a month so that every extra penny can go to pay down debt. That's how I attack my debt. So if you are serious about financial freedom, hit the subscribe button and turn on more notifications for more financial freedom content. The quote of the day is, earning a lot of money is not the key to prosperity. How you handle your money is. Remember, never let your past determine your future.